Hi there. Because you smoke, your throat and lungs are full of chemicals and nicotine. That annoying small cough is your body's natural way of clearing your airwaves. My simple remedy will stop your cough the next morning of drinking it. If after you drink the remedy and you stop smoking, the cough will not return. For the remedy, you will need a blender. That's a magic bullet. You will need watercress, a bunch. You can get watercress at any supermarket. You will need honey, natural or organic honey, a tablespoon of honey, remember a tablespoon, and half a cup of water. All the three ingredients you put into the magic bullet or the blender. Remember, you have to put the stems too. Blend it. Blend it. It should make 8 ounces of liquid. Blend it real good so it really gets liquefied. And as soon as you make it, you must drink it. Don't let it sit. It will not work. You have to drink it right away. Remember, the best remedy for smoker's cough is don't smoke.